on. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Come down here. Let's get some more food here. Here, baby. I am going to try to catch you. It's ought to be fun. Come down here. It's okay. It's okay. Come down here. Come on, come down here. I'm just trying to help you. Hold on, baby. Hold on. I know. I know it's scary. I know it's scary. Hold on, it's okay. I see. Okay. I can probably get that. Get you to open. Hey, no. No. Come here. There, sweetheart. No. I'm just trying to help you. Hold on. It's okay. Oh, shit. Don't pull. Okay, I'm just going to try to do it without catching you. It's okay. Hey, no, it's okay. Oh, don't pull. No. Don't fly anywhere. No. Don't fly anywhere. I gotta get that hook out. Hold on, it's okay. Hey. Hold on. Okay. Hey. Don't pull anymore. Oh, don't. I almost got it. Stop. Okay. I know, I'm sorry. Hold on, it's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. Hold on. It's okay. That's a good bird. Looks like we're getting close. Getting close. It's okay. No. It's okay, baby. It's alright. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm trying to help you. It's okay. Oh, it's alright. Hold on. Okay, we're really close. Birdie. Hold on. Oh! No! Hold on. It's okay. Oh, we're getting close. Maybe I should just cut it. I'll just cut it. I'm just gonna cut it. Oh, but then if I cut it... Okay, let me put it back up through Big. Okay, hold on. So put back up through Big. And cut it. There you go. I got the hook. There you go, you're free. You're free, baby. You're free. You're free. You wanna go outside? Good birdie. Y'all better? Yay.